Freddie and the Fairy. A beautiful story by Julia Donaldson. Freddie found a fairy tangled in a tree. "Help! I'm stuck!" the fairy cried. So Freddie set her free. "Thank you," said the fairy. "My name is Bessie Bell. I'll grant you all your wishes, though I can't hear very well." Freddie thought, then mumbled, "I wish I had a pet." "Why, so you shall," said Bessie Bell, and conjured up a net. "I don't want fish," said Freddie. "A louse." "That isn't right," said Freddie. "Let's think. Perhaps a parrot." "I'll do my best," said Bessie Bell, and conjured up a carrot. Freddie stamped his foot and said, "This carrot has no beak." "Forgive me," said the fairy, and a tear rolled down her cheek. Just then, from out of nowhere, appeared the Fairy Queen. So dried the fairy's eyes and asked, "Whatever does this mean?" "It's Bessie Bell," said Freddie. "She gets things wrong," he grumbled. "I'm sorry," said the fairy, "but that's because you mumbled." "Now, Freddie," said the Fairy Queen, she sounded kind but stern, "before you wish again, there are 3 rules for you to learn. Rule 1, you mustn't mumble. Rule 2, don't turn away. The fairy needs to see your lips to read the words you say. Rule 3, don't cover up your mouth. She can't see through your hand. Obey these 3 gold rules, and then I'm sure she'll understand." So, Freddie learned the 3 gold rules, and now he speaks quite clearly. And everything he wishes for comes true. Or very nearly. Like, share and subscribe to Arsal Academy, and not forget to hit the bell icon.